Welcome to Brainy Branch Resources. Today we're going to compare between two methods, partial quotient and standard algorithm. Let's start this example with the standard algorithm. 345 divided by 15. First ask, how many times does 15 go into 3? It doesn't. So put a 0 above 3. Then ask again, how many times does 15 go into 34? So let's recall the times table of 15 together. 15 times 1 equal 15. 15 times 2 equal 30. 15 times 3 equal 45. The closest answer is 15 times 2 equal 30. So we put 2 beside 0. Then subtract 34 minus 30 equal 4. Bring down 5 beside 4 to become 45. Now ask again, how many times does 15 go into 45? We said already that 15 times 3 equal 45, so the answer is 3. Put 3 beside 2. Then subtract 45 minus 45 equal 0. So the answer is 23. Now let's move to the second method, which is partial quotient. In this method, we subtract large, easy chunks of the divisor until there is nothing left over. We're just going to use friendly numbers by using our knowledge of base 10. All of us know that 15 times 10 equal 150. So this means that 15 times 20 equal 300. And that is our first chunk, 20. Now subtract 345 minus 300 equal 45. We said already that 15 times 20 equal 300, and this means 15 times 2 equal 30, and that is second chunk. Then subtract 45 minus 30 equal 15. And that is so easy because 15 times 1 equal 15. So that the third chunk is 1. Then subtract 15 minus 15 equal 0. Now add all the chunks together. 20 plus 2 plus 1 equal 23. So they are the same answer. Let me know in the comment which method is easier for you. See you next time.